Waltz of the bells, we're starting open position, left foot for man, right foot for lady, third position front, and we're going to start with 4 stepping points down the line of dance, followed by an outward rotary turn. 4 stepping points, step and point, step and point, step and point, and the outward turn. The progressive half first, followed by the rotary, and 2 glides along line of dance. Now we're going to do exactly the same movements against line of dance with 4 stepping points, step and point, 4 stepping points, followed by the progressive half of the waltz and the rotary half, and you should finish facing your partner. Now at this point we come to the interesting part of the dance. It's where you cross hands, right hands above the crossed left hand, and the man is going to do 2 walks along line of dance while the lady does a solo turn under the raised arm. So you must hold a loose hold on the hands. Right, for the man, 2 walks as the lady does the progressive and the rotary with 2 glides along line of dance. And you're going to do the same movement against 2 walks for the man and the lady turns under. Right, we just show you that bit once more. Right hands across, the man does 2 walks and 2 glides, the lady does the waltz and 2 glides. 2 walks for the man, solo turn for the lady, and 2 glides along line of dance, and the same against line of dance. Now you retain right hands at this point, and you're going to balance away from your partner and towards your partner, and again away from your partner and toward. You take up waltz hold and you complete the dance with 4 bars of waltzing, opening out at the end to start a new sequence. Right, let's put that whole 32 bars together from the beginning. Right, we start with 4 step and points, a long line of dance, go through the whole 32 bars, step and point 4 times, left foot for man, right foot for lady. Step and point, solo turn out, and the rotary, and 2 glides along line of dance, and 4 step and points against line of dance. The solo progressive waltz turn followed by the rotary, and cross hands, right arms uppermost. And 2 walks for the man, the lady turns under the man's arms, and 2 glides. And 2 against line of dance, and 2 glides. Right hands retained, you step away and balance forward. Balance away, balance forward, and you complete the sequence with 4 bars of waltzing.